practice a break fall where we're landing on our backs to begin. So there's 3 ways we're going to do this. We're going to start crouched, then we're going to stand, and then we're going to add a pushing component to it. So the 3 important cues for a break fall, especially on your back. Number 1 is to tuck your chin, which is going to protect your head and keep it from hitting the ground. Cue number 2 is that you're going to slap the ground to dissipate energy. And then cue number 3 is that you want to stay loose and exhale as you impact the ground. So I'm going to tuck my chin, I'm going to exhale, tuck the chin, slap the ground, stay loose and exhale. Tuck the chin, slap the ground, stay loose and exhale. From there, you can take it up to standing, which is going to add a little more intensity. So you're going to kind of collapse at the knees like you're sitting back. Tuck the chin, collapse at the knees, slap and stay loose. Do one more. Tuck the chin. And then finally, if you have a partner, you can add a push. So start with like maybe a 30% power push from your partner, and then you guys can communicate to go up if you need to. 3, 2, 1. Tuck the chin, slap the ground, stay loose and exhale. Go for it. One more time. Cool. That's a break fall on your back.